Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apil Ahmed. Here, I'm going to discuss about the functions today. Okay. So, in this class, I will discuss some basic properties or some special type of functions and their graphical representation also. Yes, and also we will discuss some important questions which are important for class 11 12 as well as the students which are pursuing BSc B.Tech and BCA courses. Okay, so guys, today chapter or today topics is our function. Okay, so guys, you see, function is nothing, just it is just a special kind of relation. If a relation satisfies some special properties, then we call that relation is nothing a function. Okay, and in the previous class already we have discussed about the relation. So if you have any doubt on relation, so you may watch that video first. Okay, so guys, functions. Okay, so guys, function is nothing, you see here, a relation F from a non-empty set A to another non-empty set B is said to be a function if you see every element of A has unique image in B. Yes, you see here, a relation F from a set A to B is said to be a function if every element of A has unique image in B. This is the special condition. Yes, if this condition satisfy, then we call that relation is nothing function. Yes, you come to this example first. You see, I will take an example here. Suppose we consider these two sets A and B. Yes, and here elements are A1, A2, A3, and here B1, B2, B3, B4. Yes, and suppose we consider R is a relation from A to B. Yes, R is a relation from A to B. Then this relation will call here function if you see every element of A has unique images in B. That means the first condition is that every element of this first set must be connected to some element of B. Yes, ये जो first set में जितना elements रहेगा, all the elements must be connected to some elements of that set. Then तभी तो क्या होगा, image रहेगा, and that connection should be unique. Yes, that means देखो, suppose we connect this A1 to suppose B2, then A1 और किसी का साथ क्या नहीं होगा, कनेक्शन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि B1 B3 का साथ और B1 का साथ होने से then how many images will be there? More than one images will be there. That means if this A1 is related to B2, then A1 और किसी का साथ नहीं होगा कनेक्शन. Yes, सपोज मान लो A3 B1 का साथ रिलेट है and A2 B4 का साथ है. Now you see whether this relation is satisfies this condition. Yes guys, how you see, first of all the elements of this set are connected. Here you see A1, A2, A3 all are connected. Yes, and as well as you see uniquely connected here. Uniquely you see how many images are there. For A1 का कितना है, B2 है, A2 का क्या है image, B4 है, and A3 का क्या है, B1. So unique images are there. Yes, that means this relation is nothing, this relation is a function. Yes guys, so in case of function, here we use this is F. We denote function by using this letter F. Yes guys, you see, so now you see domain of F. Domain of F is nothing, this set. Yes, in this first set is called domain of this function F. Yes, and this second set, yes, this second set is called codomain. Yes, this second set is called codomain. Guys, just you remember this thing. Yes, so first condition to become a function is nothing, all the element of this first set must be connected to some element of second set, as well as that connection should be unique. Yes, if these two conditions satisfy, then the relation is called function. Yes, and this first set is called domain here, and the second set is called codomain. Okay, now you see in the function or relation, you see कोई भी एक relation और यही relation को हम लोग in roster form how we can write this one a1 b2. yes, a1 b2 का साथ है तो हम लोग roster form में ऐसे लिखेगा. देखो a2 क्या होगा, फंक्शन भी जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का कलेक्शन होगा, एंड इन दैट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में all the first component will be distinct. Yes, that means no two ordered pair have the same first component. Yes, in case of क्या है, function. Yes, so if okay, suppose we consider A is a set which consists suppose 1 2 3 and B is another set suppose 5 6 7. Yes, just we consider here two sets, and suppose we consider a relation R like this way. Yes, suppose 1 comma 5, yes, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 5 and 1 comma 7. Now this relation is a function, guys. Is this relation is a function? No. Why this is not a function? Because you see there are two ordered pair, there are two distinct ordered pairs whose first components are same. Here you see this is a ordered pair, this is another ordered pair, but these two ordered pair have the same first component. You see here 1 1. So this is not a function. Yes guys, this is a relation but this is not a function. Okay, so guys you see image of 1 is here 5, image of 1 is here 7. That means 1 has how many images? 2 images. That means this is not a function. Is it clear guys? Okay, so now you see there is some important notes are there also. You see every function is a relation but converse is not true. Yes, एनी फंक्शन, कोई भी एक फंक्शन ले लो, वो हमेशा क्या होगा, रिलेशन होगा, बट द कन्वर्स इज नॉट ट्रू, बिकॉज यू सी फॉर दिस एग्जाम्पल दिस इज ए रिलेशन, दिस इज नॉट ए function. Yes, but if we consider this example, yes, if we consider this example, this is a function and this is also a relation. Yes, that means what we can say here, so every function relation to hoga but all the relations are not functions. Yes guys, okay, so now you see here, suppose you see, suppose this is our set A, this is suppose B, and here f is a function from A to B, and suppose here is a element A and here is a element B, and suppose A is related to B. Yes, A is related to B, then what we see here, A comma B will belongs to F. ये जो A comma B जो ordered pair है ना, ये F का अंदर में रहेगा. Yes, or you can say here this B is nothing, B is the image of A, और इसको हम लोग कैसे करके लिखते हैं guys, mathematically here f of A equal to B, f of A equal to B, बस इसे करके लिख देता है. Yes, so if you write like this way, then B is called the image of A, and similarly we can say this A is nothing, this is the pre-image of B. Yes, so you see here B is nothing, this is the image of A, or you see here B is equal to f of A, that means we can say this f of A is nothing, image of A, f of A is nothing, image of A. So you see here, if f is a function from A to B and A comma B belongs to f, then f of A equal to B, we can write like this way, and where B is called image of A under the function f, and A is called pre-image of B under the function f. Yes guys, is it clear? Now you see guys, देखो ये जो फंक्शन है ना, ये फंक्शन वन काइंड ऑफ मशीन जैसा है, ठीक है, इस टाइप करके फील करो. फंक्शन इज नथिंग, जस्ट वन काइंड ऑफ क्या है गाइस, एक मशीन जैसा है. जैसे देखो, जैसे हम लोग ये एफ का अंदर में कुछ डाल दिया, ए को डाल दिया, तो डालने का साथ साथ इसने क्या दिया है गाइस, बी डाल दिया। जैसे एक मिक्सर मशीन जैसा है, हम लोग जैसा मिक्सर मशीन में क्या करता है गाइस, बोलो। मिक्सर मशीन जो है, यस, मिक्सर मशीन में क्या करता है गाइस, बोलो। मिक्सर एक मशीन है, इसका अंदर में कोई कुछ भी डालो, जैसे मसाला वगैरह डालो, ठीक है, तो क्या करता है, यहाँ में कुछ उसका ही मिक्सर बना के देता है। यस गाइस, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जूस मशीन गाइस, देखो जूस मशीन में क्या करता है गाइस, कोई भी जूस मशीन ले लो, यस, एक जूस मशीन ले लो, इसका अंदर में क्या डालना है, फ्रूट्स डालो, और यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा गाइस, जूस डल जाएगा। यस, सो इस टाइप का है, देखो इसमें कोई भी, इसमें एक सपोज फ्रूट्स डालो तो यह हमें जूस निकल जाएगा, या हमें कुछ मसाला डालो तो मसाला का पेस्ट निकल जाएगा। सो फंक्शन इज नथिंग, जस्ट वन काइंड ऑफ गाइस क्या है, मशीन है, ठीक है, तो इसको याद रखो। ओके, सो अगेन यू सी हियर ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट दिस, मेंशन हियर इफ f a to b a is a function, yes, then a is called domain, this a is called domain and b is called the codomain of this function f. Yes, and also you see here range of a function guys, range of a function is nothing, just collection of all the images, collection of all the images is called here range. Yes, so you see our previous first example here, you see which are the images guys here, which are the images are here, you see these b1, b2 and b4, these are the images. So what will be the range of this function, so range will be here, range will be here b1, b2 and b4. Yes, these will be the range. Just jitna images है, just you collect all those images, then you will get a set, and that set is called range or image set. Is it okay guys? Okay. Okay, now you see real function. Yes, real function is nothing, if we consider, you see here, suppose this is a set, this is a set a b, and here f is a function, then this f function is called real function if we consider this domain and codomain are real number. Yes, are real number set or subset of reals. Okay, or subset of reals. If we consider this domain and this range set, yes, इसका range set and domain जब क्या होगा, real number का subset होगा, then we call the function is nothing, real function. You see here, a real function has the set of real numbers or one of its subset both as its domain as well as range. Yes, जब इसका domain as well as range, so जब क्या होगा, real number का set होगा और subset of real number होगा, then we call that function is nothing, real function. तो sometime क्या होता है, कुछ क्वेश्चन में दे देता है मेंशन करके एक रियल फंक्शन कंसिडर किया, लेट f is a real function, then वो रियल फंक्शन बोलने से तुम लोगों को फील होना चाहिए, नहीं ये एक फंक्शन है जिसका डोमेन एज वेल एज रेंज और क्या है, either set of real set, set of real number or the subset of real numbers. Okay, so so hope this video is helpful for you, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.